The first question is, what advice would I give for women who are newly natural? The advice I'd give to any newly natural is to think about why you're starting your natural hair journey and what you want to get out of it. I think that once you find the answers to these questions, it will help guide you on the journey to come. When I was thinking about my natural hair journey, I've always been natural, but when I wanted to start being more intentional about caring for my hair, I was thinking about growing my hair longer and healthier, and I was thinking about actually embracing my natural hair texture and embracing everything that came with it. So if you think about what you want to get from it, whether it's healthier hair or whether it's a certain look that you're after, I think that will help guide you, because you get to shape your natural hair journey, you get to make it what you want it to be. And it's really important, especially these days. When I started out, there wasn't that much information around, but today we've got the benefit of YouTube, Instagram, blogs, all kinds of different sources of information, and it's really important to be able to stay true to what you want and what you need and what's right for you, and not just jump on the latest trends or get swept up in what works for other people and what other people are doing.